Hi everybody, welcome to video 6. We started video 5 by creating the action listeners by using classes. So for instance, if I click on the here on the print message or the clear message, all I do print message, it comes in here and goes to the class in here. For the clear message, it goes to this class called clear message because I'm calling the constructor here, and that's how it works. This time, no, we're going to do something called inline. Inline, it means I don't need to have these classes here. All I'm going to do first this part when I click on the display buttons here and say print message. I'm going to do it differently this time by doing it on line. All you need to do, very simple, and here, this new, because all this interested in when you add action listener, it goes to the methods called public void action performed, action event, and so on here. So rather than doing all of that, all you do, right, remove this, you say new, don't forget action listener, which is this one, like this one. You can cover this one if you want, a new action listener, this, and I'm using, here it is, right, and if you hit enter, give it a space in here, all you need to do, you remove this one from here, public void action listener, here it is, copy it, and just put it here, inside it. Remember, you open the brackets here, a new action listener, and then you open curly bracket, put this inside, and don't forget to close the curly bracket in here. Usually you see it for the space. That's how it works. You see in here, all we did, put action listener, new action listener, open curly bracket. Don't forget, that's this one here, the bracket here is not closing. New action listener for this bracket, it closes here. Can you see it? It closes here. Inside the bracket you put that public void action performed and so on, right? If I run this one, and there's no need for this class anymore, because it's all it's interested in actually is this method. If I run this one now, it is, and I'm going to click on print message. What's going to happen? Print message, which here it comes to here, add action listener, new action listener. That's what it's going to do, right? Print message, similar to what I've done before. When I click on a clear message, what's going to happen? It comes here, add action listener, a new clear message, go to this class, and in this class, interested in to have a look at this one, right? So if I say clear, it does this one. Of course, you can do similar things to the message, to the clear message as well. All you do, remember this, and you, so you don't need that, you would action, that is action listener, that is, and you put brackets, right? Don't forget, you see in here, this, I've got this, and I've got this bracket for it. All this, you come to the bracket, hit enter, put it here. Don't forget to put a curly bracket here. And then all you do, copy, look at that, copy this one, action performed, there it is. I'm going to remove it from here, and I just put it here, right? And of course, I'm going to get rid of this in here. This is action, of course, action listener. Of course, always miss this letter E here, right? Action listener. So all it does, if you look in here, I just put these here. That's like that. It'd be nicer, so you can see them there together. I'm sorry, I've got this here, and all I'm trying to see here. Here it is. this, and of course this one is for the constructors finishes here. There you go. So when I click on the button text display message, it's going to give me this, and for this one it gives me to create message. Run this one, and if I say print message or a clear message, this actually does it in a line rather than going classes. This is the simplest way you can do it. But you need to remember both methods: display message, clear message. As I promised in previous, that's conclude this video. However, last time I says I would like to make this one as a label. How can I do that? Of course, very simple. Just change the label, change it to a label. All you need to do, private J label. And you want to call, for instance, LBL and say message. You want to repeat message on that one, equal new J label. And you want nothing on the label. Here it is. And of course, I'm not going to use the text field anymore. There it is. Remove this one. L private. Oh, sorry. There you go. Private in here. Of course, text message I'm not going to add. I'm going to add the label message in here, and of course text on it. Just the same things for the label. All of them says LBL message, and of course this one the same thing. I can say LBL message, and that's actually does it, and you cannot see it as invisible. So for you, you know, for the users, they don't see it. If you look in here, there's nothing there. If I click on print message, here it is, right? It appears here. Look at it, it's empty, nothing here. So if I click on print message, it appears as in here, and I can clear this message here. I can change them around. I'm going to put actually the label in the middle and the clear message up north. All you do is very nice, it's simple. In here, this is dot center. There it is. And this one, put it north. Oops, sorry. There we go. Up north. Run this one. You see the middle area is empty now. Look in here. There it is. Nothing in here, the middle area. You know, as a designer, there's something, this is label. Because label looks the same as the frame, so it's invisible to the user. User doesn't know what's in here. But when you click in here, here's the message. Appears is in here, right? Clear the message, same things, right? That concludes this part. Next part, I'm going to show you how to do animations and drawings and so on. Thank you very much, and good luck with up to this video with the graphical user interface. Try to understand all of the concepts done in the first these 6 videos in order to make you understand how you do animations and so on, and design more complicated graphical user interfaces. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy these 6 videos and makes you understand the concepts of graphical user interfaces. Should you have any questions, any query, please don't hesitate to ask any class or during office hours, and try to explain that in more details. Thank you very much.